chop life.
Nutritional lecturer,
Talk life, oh.
Mama Africa,
Chop life, oh.
Mama Africa, Mama Africa,
Chop life, oh.
Mama Africa,
Talk life,
enjoyment officer,
chop life,
Mama Africa, we chop and we talk,
chop life, oh.
Mama Africa,
Talk life,
nutritional lecturer,
chop life,
enjoyment officer, Mama.
I beg, if you never eat dodo and fried rice before, go try am. Wetin be this? She's sweet now. She's sweet now. Very sweet. Hi guys. Come, let's eat together. We're eating fried rice and dodo with a turkey. The turkey wins. Okay, now let me talk. Who eat fried rice with dodo? Who they eat fried rice with dodo? I'm going to top it up with iced tea. Iced tea drink. It's sweet though. I want to follow me.
Enjoy your life when you are young and tell the story when you are old.